Scania, we divide it in different categories. We have product knowledge training, and we also train on Scania defensive driver training.
I'm proud that over the years, as we've been conducting these trainings, seen a lot of behavior change. And actually, I'm looking at having behavior change across, not only across Africa, not only in Kenya, but across the globe.
The improvement area I can see at whole is anticipation. Through anticipation, there is knowledge, skills, concentration, the attitude, the imagination, and the discipline of the drivers.
We talk about anticipation. That is a key factor of this training, and we encourage drivers to drive defensively.
Our driver services are continuously improving, with a focus on the customer's needs and us to modularize our systems so that we can target their specific needs. And this is why we have come up with the driver training.
I've seen that you're all really good drivers. I am genuinely impressed. I think that you have really good prerequisites to train your drivers to be fuel efficient. So I think just take that with you from today. Know that no one is perfect. We're not aiming for perfect. Practice makes progress. So I want you to give yourself a round of applause because you did great. So thank you so much, guys.